All right, Kelly, thank you. Well, Pennsylvania's Governor Josh Shapiro today gave his annual budget address announcing a plan to spend $51.4 billion. From rural health care to public transit, Shapiro brought a mix of old and new ideas. And tonight, our Pennsylvania State Capitol correspondent Kara Jeffers is joining us live to talk through some of the biggest and the most controversial points today. Kara, good evening.
Good evening, Eva. This was Shapiro's third budget address that he's given. He's going into kind of the second half of his 4-year term with national prospects kind of up ahead. Today's budget proposal definitely had a lot of repeat ideas, some unfinished business, but also new ideas.
Today I can report that Pennsylvania is on the rise.
Governor Josh Shapiro announcing today how he wants to spend Pennsylvania's general fund.
From education to health care to housing to economic development to job creation, it makes the right investments at the right time.
The proposal increases spending on things like education, workforce development, and health care. Several Erie leaders were on the House floor for that presentation.
Hearing what Governor Shapiro had to say today, specifically around housing, workforce development, child care, those are a number of initiatives that we really think we're going to be able to hopefully leverage in Erie for a lot of our transformational projects.
Shapiro's proposal, like years before, wants to get revenue from legalizing adult use cannabis and regulating skill games. Representative Pat Harkins is chair of the gaming committee, which will play a key role in skill game negotiations this year.
These places are running rampant in a lot of these communities, so we have to address that.
Shapiro's $51.4 billion proposal spends $4.4 billion more than what the state collects in revenue. He will use the state's $10.4 billion in savings to cover the difference. Republicans say the proposal is irresponsible.
If they're serious on some of their priorities that are important to them that we might be able to find common ground on, for the love of God, work on closing our structural deficit and we'll work with you on different things.
Now, for those kind of Erie community leaders, we had Infinite Erie, we had members from the Chamber of Erie, we had Erie Insurance also had people there, the president and some government delegates. They really say that coming unified with an idea of what Erie wants is really key to get things done in Harrisburg, and being able to listen to the governor's budget address themselves today gives them an idea of what we can be advocating for in these next couple of months. In Harrisburg, I'm Kara Jeffers, Erie News Now.